So in this Canva tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to animate text here in Canva. So the first thing you have to do is just obviously type some text. So go to the text tab on the left. I'm just going to go to where it says add a heading, and I'm going to type in the word text, plain and simple. I'll make it a little bit larger, and that is that. Now, as of right now, there's no animation to this text. It'll just stay still. It'll just stay exactly like this. Nothing crazy. Now, if you want to add text, or so you want to animate the text, press on the text that you want to animate. Go to the top right corner to where it says animate right here. I want you to press on that. And now you're greeted with a bunch of different options. You can create an animation if you want. You can just use the basics. You can use writing. Whatever you really want, doesn't really matter. Let's just say I wanted to use this writing right here. All of a sudden, the text will, if I go to press play, it is now typing just like that. So I'll just go back slowly so you can tell. And I have now animated the text plain and simple. I will close it. And that is how you can animate text here on Canva. I hope this video helped.